Welcome to Steel Curtain. The black and yellow. What the hell is the ratchet and clank I'm hearing right now? That is a very, very, very long way up.
It's only 220.
Oh, only? Yo, why do you guys request scary stuff like this? This looks like a funeral march.
A funeral?
When I was a young boy. Oh my God, let me just. Oh my God. Yo, why are you speeding up? Why? Oh my God. Yo, this shit is high. Kayla, what have you done? What is that, the Hershey factory? Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Yo, this is high. Guys, request low to the ground ride, please. Shit. Yo, I cannot grip this hard enough. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. We're on an airplane. This is not a roller coaster. It's a goddamn airplane. Okay, okay. Whoa! What do you mean the world's highest barrel roll? Oh my God! Yo, you know what? The Dolphins are better. Forget the Steelers. Go Dolphins! Oh my God! Yo, what's up with this bumblebee torture ride? What is this? That's the way to heaven. Oh my God! Oh, yo! How many more twists? Oh! Yo! Oh, airtime! I'm off the seat! Another inversion! What do you mean? Oh my God! Yo! Oh! I just got slammed! Oh! What is that? No! Another one! Hold it down! Ah! What the hell? How many more inversions? For the love of inversions! Oh my God! Yo! That was... Look at this, I have marks. That was unnecessary. Why?
Look at she shaking. Oh
my God.
It's amazing. It's not that
Kayla, I don't want to do this again.
We're going on it again.
Oh, that's, no. All right, we're in the back of Steel Curtain. I'm sorry, the Steelers suck.
Hey.
I suffered this ride once. I know what I'm telling you. Oh, there's a song, Sandstone. That's what my stomach feels like right now, Sandstone. Oh my God, that is high. That is so high. And then the ratchet and clank is not helping. I got bugs flying in front of me, which is effing gross. What are they called? Lantern flies. Oh my God, if I get stuck up here, I'm ordering pizza. No way. Oh, Taco Bell. There's a whole Taco Bell over there. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. We're going to get whiplash, aren't we? Oh my God. Why are we still going up? Is this not high enough already? Oh my God. Finally, you know, when we're at Mount Everest. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, it is the highest in Favero. I can't even talk straight. Go Dolphins! Oh my God! This is bananas! Yo! Who would willingly go through this? Oh! Airtime! Mother! Your shirt again? Oh! Oh my God! You know what? You know what? Put me back outside of the hat. Oh my God! I am off the chair. The chair is for bugs, not air. Oh, okay. Up, yep. They go off my stomach. Oh. When they say leave it all behind, do they mean your dignity? Oh my God. You know what? I admit it. I am a little bee. Oh, Bumblebee, you're so aggressive. Oh my God, I'm not hilarious. I'm dying.
That was hilarious. Which one did you like more? The front or
The
the back?
front is more bearable. The back sucks. My voice is gone. I want Taco Bell. There's a wall of scrunchies over there. I'm not sure you guys can see it. No más, guapo.